scale diagrams. Okay, we have an existing triangle. We are going to draw its corresponding scalar diagram with the scale of 1:1000. 1:1000. So we can't draw that directly. Definitely you should find what would be the corresponding centimeter measurement for the 50 meter. Let's find that one. Initially, 1 centimeter actually in the real world denoting 1000 centimeters. To convert that one to meters, you should divide it by 100. That will give you 1 centimeter in the scalar length, actually 10 meters. So here we have 50 meters. 1 centimeter will denote 10 meters. So 50 meters would be its corresponding scalar length is 5 centimeters. This 70 centimeter would be in scalar length 7 centimeters. And 60 meters would be in the scalar length 6 centimeters. Okay, we found the corresponding length. First of all, what you have to do is draw a straight line like this. Not exactly perfect as this one. Okay, you can draw something, an inclined line like this. Okay, inclined line like this. Thereafter, just follow my procedure. Using your ruler, here we have 0, here we have 5 centimeter. Adjust your needle of your compass to here and pencil should be aligned to the 5 centimeters. You should measure by using compass, you should measure 5 centimeter. Somewhere here, place your needle. Okay, place your needle somewhere here. Cut an arc. Now place the needle exactly at this place where the arc and the pre-existing straight line coincide. Place your needle at here. Draw one more arc. So both arcs should be going through the impression of the needle's place. This is 5 centimeters. This is exactly 5 centimeters. For ease, I'll name this X, Y, Z. This is my point X, not the end. Okay, not the end. Only we need 5 centimeters. No, so in between this measurement only will give you 5 centimeter. So where the place of the arc and the straight line intersect, this is my X. This is my point Y. Just do this procedure first. Then here X to Z 7 centimeter. Again, I'll use a different color. Place your needle of your compass here and pencil should be aligned at 7 centimeter. Measure the 7 centimeter in your compass. Place the needle at X. Needle at X. Cut an arc. Cut an arc like this. Cut an arc like this. So this arc is exactly 7 centimeter away from point X. Then I'll use different color. From Y to Z, that is 6 centimeter away. Place your needle at exactly at 6. Use your compass to measure 6 centimeter. Place your needle at Y. Cut an arc. Cut an arc like this. Initially, we just created 5 centimeter straight line segment. Thereafter, by using orange color, I denoted 7 centimeter arc from X, 6 centimeter arc from Y. When both of these arcs intersect, that would be the exact location of our point Z. That's all about our construction. After completion, draw these measurements using your pencil. Don't use pens. After completion, you can write the exact measurement, exact scalar lengths by using your pencil. 50 centimeter, actually 5. Then 77. From X 7, from Y 6. We found the exact point, that is our Z, and we completed our triangle. In the previous diagram, we started from here and created a triangle like this. But this is not the one and only method. You can simply draw that. Here we have a horizontal line. First draw a horizontal line. Just find the scalar length for this one, cut the arc. Thereafter, what is the scalar length for this one? Cut an arc. What is the scalar length for this one? Cut an arc. After that also you can create a triangle. This is the simplest method. If there is any horizontal or vertical lines were given, you can get that one as a reference to complete your diagram. The scale for this diagram is 1 millimeter is denoting 20. No, I'll give you 1:25 is the scale. You should draw a scalar diagram properly for the given scenario. First, let's do the unit conversion. 1 centimeter actually denoting 25 centimeters. 125 centimeter would be 125 divided by 25. Actually, it is 5 centimeters. Next, 225 divided by 25. It would be 9 centimeters. 150 divided by 25. It's 6 centimeters. First of all, draw a straight line. Okay, draw a straight line. By using a ruler and compass, you should measure 9 centimeters. Cut 2 arcs. After measuring 9 centimeters, place your needle at here. Not exactly at the edge. Okay, somewhere in the middle. That's okay. Cut an arc. Place your needle at this point. Cut one more arc. This is our AB. 9 centimeters. Then measure 6 centimeters. Okay, 6 centimeters to represent this one. Place the needle at here, cut an arc. Then 5 centimeters from here. From B, 5 centimeters. Just cut one more arc. You should measure 5 centimeters by using a ruler and compass, cut an arc. Then finally, we can connect all these points. Exactly at A, not somewhere here, not somewhere here. Exactly from A to this point. From this point to at B. Yeah. Then this is the point C. This length is 6 centimeters scalar length. This scalar length is 5 centimeters. That's all about our diagram. Scalar diagram.